G'day guys, it's Ralph Mayhew here from VideoProc Converter, and today I want to talk to you about how you convert a DVD into a digital format. So when your DVD player doesn't work anymore, your files won't be wasted, you'll still have those precious memories. To start, head to the link in the description below, download VideoProc Converter, install it, open it, and welcome to this page. Now simply insert your DVD and press DVD. We go up to here to the disc, and that will search for the DVD. I'm using a disc from our recent holiday, so you make sure that's selected. You should have auto detect to make sure the program can find your DVD, and once all that's good to go, you press done. That will upload and analyze your DVD content onto VideoProc Converter. This program handles pretty much any DVD you can throw at it, with the exception of DVD plus art. If you want to cut some unnecessary parts or resize it, choose Edit just here. Then you can change the audio and video, you can add an effect, you can change subtitles, you can cut your video down to a different size, you can crop it so it looks different on the screen, you can add a watermark. Whatever you choose you'd like to do, just press done once you're finished. By selecting chapter, you have the option to merge all the videos into one video, or select various chapters that you'd like to include. If you'd like to include them, you just click on here and it will select the chapters that you want. When you're happy with that selection, again, just click anywhere outside of that box. Next, you need to select the target format. You do that by selecting the option here, going up to General Profiles, and selecting any video option you like here. We're going to use MP4 today, and I'd encourage you, it will take longer to export, but it'll be a higher quality, to select that option there, and then once you're done, click Done. Now find the MP4 H.264 format, or the one you've chosen, double click on that, and I would just go through and make sure that frame rate, resolution and aspect ratio are all on Keep Original to maintain the previous quality that you had on your DVD, and move this up to high quality. Once you're done there, press Done. And finally, use the high quality engine, which will mean your export process won't be as long as it otherwise might be, and simply hit Run.
Vince, so he never smiles, okay?
If you feel that your file, once you've exported it, is just too big, you can run it again through VideoProc Converter and reduce the size of the file. We have videos on how to do that quite easily without a loss of quality. So what videos do you have lying around that you could use VideoProc Converter to preserve the precious memories that they have? We'd love to know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.